Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by and watching my videos. For those that have seen my tomatoes and my cucumbers and my bitter melon, I have decided to take them down and replace them with events. I wanted to be able to sit outside and enjoy watching the flowers and plants and vegetables. So I took them down. So I had large tomato plants, had a cucumber here, and then my tomatoes were here, and then my bitter melon was here. But I took them down because it's kind of a pain to take care of them, because every time that I want some bitter melon or cucumber, I would have to hand pollinate them. I mean, I do enjoy the fruits and the vegetables, but I work and I am not always able to hand pollinate them, and I also wanted to kind of like have more plants going. Oh yeah, the main reason why I had to take down my tomatoes is because they were starting to collect aphids, and I know that once aphids get hold of your tomatoes, they become hard to control. Oh yeah, this is my DIY bench. I made it with three on each side. So two and there. I probably should paint it, but nah, I'll leave it alone. So got a whole bunch of my milkweed here. Hot pepper. I can't remember what the name of this hot pepper, but they are hot. Got more going in there. More cucumber going. So all this I'm growing in my side backyard. See? And this is an okra. They're really growing big. There's a tiny pot right there. Look at this tomato. Pear tomatoes. Eggplant. This one is not having any. I wonder why. And my citrus, they're blooming. It's a Philippine lemon, calamansi. And here's my serrano with turned red. I wonder if they're ever gonna go taller. I don't think they're going to grow taller. I wonder, got more flowers growing in there. I'm gonna have to put some rubber rock on this one. I don't think they like that constantly wet dirt. But thanks for watching. See you later.